I therefore declare Katongole Singh Maloha, who has proved the highest number of votes, 6,690, representing 82.3% as the duly elected NRM flag bearer for the West Constituency Member of Parliament.
Waliwo abalina DR forms ezaabwe ne wabeerawo ne DR forms ezireeteddwa ba registrars nga ziri signed by all stakeholders. Kati tosuubira nti ogenda leeta akavuyo ko wano era bagenda kukusiba.
Massive rigging without any protection. They have been using guns to provide security. Security was nowhere. I will even go to do this. He will not respond. We are not going to accept it. It is okay. Even if you saw Wendy, I am not going to accept it to be rigged. We are not going to accept it. We are not going to accept it.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.